It's quite aggravating to send to get an email from someone who you trust and respect, and it always shows up in spam. Often this happens for lots of reasons that you do not have any control over at all. However, you could set up an email address from someone that you trust and respect and tell the system to never put that email in spam. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I get an email message right here from Teddy Burris. You can see it's from tlburris at burrisconsulting.com. If I want to make sure that email never shows, that email address, the emails from that email address never go to spam, this is how you do it. You click on the three dots right here, and you filter messages like this. When you click on filter messages like this, you create the filter right here. It's any email from this email address, create filter. And look right here. Never send it to spam. And then when I create that filter, now anytime T.L. Burris at burrisconsulting.com emails this email address, this is my burrisconsulting at Gmail. Anytime an email comes in, it will never go to spam. That is how you make sure that all the email that comes from a specific email address always shows up where you want it and not in spam. And by the way, what I just did, if you go to settings, see all settings, if you go over here to filters and blocked addresses, you'll see the following filters are applied. Here's one right here, T.L. Burris at Burris Consulting. Never send it to spam. If I want to, I can edit that, delete it, or leave it there because I always trust the email that comes from that email address. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.